Working on beveling these edges to this briefcase panel. This is the main panel. I cut it out. Now I'm going to bevel the edges with my beveler. I'm going to use this tool just to take off this edge, and on the flap, just the inside of the flap. I'm not going to do the whole inside where the gussets meet because I want that flat, but I want the outside of this panel completely beveled. So when I burnish it with this tool, it's nice and round and smooth. So when you're touching the edges, it feels good. All right, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna cut it out, try to get this on the video without messing it up. All right, so here we go. I'll also take this to my sander after this and really fine tune these edges, make them nice and smooth. So these edges are going to be left open. They're not going to be painted. They're going to be burnished. Usually when I burnish, I don't bevel, but I do. It depends on the leather. It depends how thick and depends on the briefcase. So I can't say always I don't do it. I usually don't. I'll just leave the edges like this and put that latex paint. The reason why I don't bevel all the time is with the latex paint, I'm getting a bevel. The way I apply many coats to it, you're getting a bevel on the edge. So you're getting that rounded, smooth edge. So you really don't need to bevel. And in fact, it depends on the leather. Like I said, there's different leathers on the thickness. This thick English bridle leather, I don't bevel because the paint that I apply to it will build a bevel on it. And it's pretty much doing the same thing. And in fact, by not beveling this type of leather, specifically this leather, by not beveling it, by not carving it out, it helps the paint to stay in place. By beveling it, you're getting that smooth edge coming down so you can get a little runoff. All right, so I just did the whole edge. You can see it, creeping up. Now the inside, I'm only gonna do from where the flaps over. I'm not gonna do over here because there's a gusset over there. Ow. Just poked myself. All right, so I beveled the inside of the flap because this nut is touching this, so I want this smooth. I beveled the entire outside panel. So that's the panel. All right, when it flaps over, it's going to be like this. All right, so that's it for my next step. Now I'm just going to burnish these edges like this. I'm going to apply some gum paste on it, get them nice and smooth, and that's it.